If you want children to put their feet on the ground, first put some responsibilities on their shoulder. Hello and namaste everyone. Myself Mandira Shrest, student of Bear Hospital Nursing Campus, special third year. I am health as well as child and cultural activist working with the concerned group of children, adolescents, youths, women and sexual minorities since 9 years. Besides that, I am also serving as the community volunteer, trainer, educator and speaker. And today I am feeling so happy and honored to share that yes, we submitted the first ever child report on UPR to OSCHR Geneva, Switzerland for the first time in the history of Nepal. And as a team leader, I am really very proud to be part of it and completed this historic task. We became able to be the collective voice of children all over Nepal. This is our issue in our own words by our own leadership. As we know that in Nepal, children issues are often taken as the soft issues. So, realizing the need of actively involvement of children, UPR presents the excellent opportunity to get child right featured in the international human rights debates. As we know that child right is also the human right, UPR presents the real platform for raising the issues of children in the global actions. That's why we, children of Nepal, for the first time submitted this childhood report on UPR to the OSCHR through 4 steps. And the first step was province level consultation. In this consultation, children were oriented about the UPR and the importance of childhood UPR. Then, childhood consultations were done to discuss and collect the local child issues in child-friendly ways, like in the form of poems, songs, dramas, stories, essays, letters, quiz, pictures, etc. Then, the national level consultations was done in Kathmandu, where there was inclusive participation of children from 7 provinces. As a whole, 30 children and 85 stakeholders were present there. Then, Children Write-Up team was formed by the majority of children themselves that comprised 6 children to write Child-Led UPR report based on the view collected from children of all provinces. And our last step was report write-up and submission, where a social media group including write-up team and technical supported team was created, and through the group discussion, write-up team had 13 meetings where we first collected all the local issues and provincial issues and then analyzed it and formed the report. And at last, the report was finalized and submitted by the children write-up team ourselves in OSCHR. And as I said, this is a report prepared for children, with children, by children themselves. Regarding the importance of we children to be part of the UPR, I want to clear out that we take this as our right, not as the opportunity, because we believe that it is important that our voice is heard on issues affecting our rights, so that we can contribute to building an inclusive society based on rule of law, which is also considered as one of the 4 pillars of CRC. Our participation in UPR itself provides opportunity for we children to express our views in matter of our concern. However, we do understand that it does not mean we can now tell our parents and the government what to do and have full authority over adults. Moreover, this is an excellent opportunity for we children to pursue OSCHRC to recommend the government of Nepal to initiate concrete action to fulfill the rights of child, especially those who are at risk. Overall, our involvement in UPR is an excellent opportunity for we children to raise our issues in international platform and make our government more responsible, so we cannot afford to miss it. Hence, my last words for everyone is that take us seriously, because we learn to solve problems today and we'll be able to solve big problems later. Thank you.